12:43 in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. This afternoon, showers with the chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds. Highs in the lower 70s. South. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Terre Hill to Woodlawn, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Parksburg and Honeybrook around 12:55 p.m., New Morgan around 1 p.m., Birdsboro and West Grove around 1:05 p.m., Glenmore around 1:10 p.m., Kennett Square and Downingtown around 1:15 p.m., Lionville and Pewtown around 1:20 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a strong building, such as a basement or small interior room. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. The official National Weather Service forecast for the Lehigh Valley and the nearby areas. Tornado Watch 543 in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. This afternoon, showers with the chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds. Highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, partly cloudy with the chance of showers in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Cooler. Lows in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. North winds